Are you worried that someone might have your Facebook password? Or do you just want to change it for security reasons? Whatever the reason may be, it's always a good idea to change your Facebook password from time to time. In this video, we'll show you how to change your Facebook password in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Facebook account. Next, click on the three lines icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. On the next page, click on Settings. Now, click on Meta Account Center from the menu on the top. Next, tap on Password and Security. To start changing your Facebook password, simply tap on Change Password. Enter your current password and then your new password twice. Make sure your new password is unique and something that you'll remember, but not something that others can easily guess. Click on the Change Password button to confirm your new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook password. Make sure to keep your new password safe and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.